Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have decided to pick a topic that most English learners find it very difficult, prepositions. So by the end of the lesson, you would be able to master most commonly used prepositions and also you will become aware of the common mistakes that people make. Let's get started. Are you confused with in and on when it comes to mode of transport? If yes, this video is specially for you. We use on when we can sit, we can stand, we can walk. On a plane, on a train. If you cannot stand up, you cannot walk, you can only sit. Then we use in a taxi, in a car. I need to submit the project report in Monday or on Monday. Let's rule out this confusion. If it is for a longer duration of time, a season or a month, we use in winter, in June, in February. If it is for a short period, a day, a date, we use on 2nd June, on 2nd February. If it is very specific, we use at 4 p.m., at 2 p.m. Also, we use in for hobbies and we use in for cities and countries in Delhi, in Mumbai, in India. Quiz time. Do you have a meeting Wednesday? Think about it. On Wednesday. Let's connect for a quick discussion 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. I am interested reading books. In reading books. You got it right. Few more questions to jog your memory. I was born 2nd June. Think about it. It's a date. On 2nd June. It depends the weather today. On the weather. Last one. Let's go home now. Well, it's a trap. There is no preposition. Let's go home now. Thank you for watching.